Today we are going to mix the syrup, show you people the measurements you are going to use while mixing your syrup. That is the egg, the milk flavor, the sugar, and every other thing you are going to use for this peanuts. Even our drying agents, we are going to mix them. I'll show you how to mix them right away. So let's go. First of all, we are going to work on our nutmeg. I'm going to grate it. This is my grater. We are going to grate it. This is the nutmeg seed. So we are going to. I prefer making use of this nutmeg seed because if I buy the sachet one, after making my peanut, it will be seeing black particles. So go for nutmeg seed. Is ready. Then our egg. We are going to crack our egg. So in this case, I'm going to make use of 3 cups of groundnuts, and I'm going to use 3 eggs. So let me crack 3 eggs. If you don't trust your egg, always crack it in a different plate. Crack it in a different plate. But in this case, I trust my egg. I know it's a new egg. It's not rotten. Just as I said before, if you don't trust your egg, please crack it in a different plate. And make sure you remove every particle like eggshell that enters the egg. Remove every particle and then you whisk your egg. Whisk it very well so that everything will blend together. These 3 eggs can as well coat 4 cups of groundnut, but as a beginner, you can start from 3. The next thing now is to add your sugar. Since we are making 3 cups of groundnuts, then 3 eggs, we are going to make use of 1 cup of sugar. This is 1 cup. For those of you that have watched my popcorn class where I made a video on the measurements to use, I show you guys this cup. This is 1 cup. So we are going to use 1 cup of sugar, just the level of it. You see, I did not overfill it. It's just at the level of it, level of the cup. Right? You are going to pour it inside the egg. All right? So you cover it. So next thing, you go in with your milk flavor. In this case, you are going to use this milk flavor 3. Look at this size. This size is 100 naira in the market for my area. So we are going to make use of 3 like this. So the 3 of them are going into this bowl. You can as well use powdered vanilla flavor. It is whitish in color, but this one now is milk flavor, the powdered one. You go in with your liquid milk flavor. This milk flavor is mixed with vanilla flavor. I mix it together. I always use it for my popcorn, but you can as well use it for peanuts. So we are going to drop half tablespoon. This is half tablespoon, 2.5 ml. See? This is a very quality peanut that I'm doing like this. So you cover it. So we'll go in with our salt. This salt, I'm going to make use of this same 2.5 ml. That is half tablespoon. I don't know how quick carry out. Just the level of the spoon, just like this. No too full. Just like this. So at this point, you mix together. Make sure you mix everything properly so that the sugar, the milk, the salt, everything will dissolve and turn to liquid. Mix it properly. Mix it very well. Don't pity am, no pity am. Mix it properly. If you have an electric mixer, it will be more preferable. But at this time, if you don't have, mix it very, very well. At this point, the syrup is ready. Very, very ready to be used. So when you mix everything together, get a bottle. Get a water bottle, any water bottle at all. Please perforate the cover so that you will be able to use your syrup wisely, because you are going to be using it bit by bit. So get a bottle, a water bottle, any water bottle at all, and transfer the syrup into the bottle. Transfer the syrup into the bottle. Everything will enter the bottle. Make sure you perforate the cover. So please don't forget to make practice on everything you have learned. Anyone you learn, make the practice, do the practical, because practice makes perfect. Don't just watch and relax. After watching, try as much as you can to put it into practice. It is very, very important. Very, very important. This syrup can as well coat 4 cups of groundnut. Thanks for watching my video.